Hello guys, it's me Simba Raymond Dalton. Today we are going to be learning how to create games, simple games for beginners using Python, PyCharm ID. So let's start by, I want to create a game which asks the user for his what? For his name, age, and just fires him some math questions according to his age. So let's print. Let's welcome this user to our game. Hello, welcome to my game. Let's put here so that it's visible and stylish. So let's print this. Oh, what's wrong with this? Okay. Print. Let's now ask the user for his name. Let's just create a variable for name so that the data can be stored in this name variable. What is your name? Let's print that and print hello name, how are you, and how old you. So this is a variable now. So far it's not a variable, let's make it a variable. So if we make it a variable, because what is of this int function, int what? Because age is always in integers, all of this stuff to put plus signs here. If we are entering a variable, what in a variable? How are you? Hello. How are you? Let me show you something. So now let's run this program and see. What is your name? It's Dalton. Hello Dalton. How are you and how old are you? 16 years. So you can see that what we have entered has now been stored in age, because here we said print age. So that's what I wanted you to see. So let's come ask this user for his gender equals input what is your gender. So here we are not very specific. A user may put gender in capital letters, gender in what, gender in option, gender in Chinese. So you need to be specific. So to be specific, let's just print this and give undersigned variables representing the user's answer. So we can say gender 1 equals male, gender 2 equals female. So let's just print this out. Let's print these variables. Let's first run our program to see if it works normally. Hello, welcome to my game. What is your name? Dalton. Hello, Dalton. How old are you? 16 years. Yeah. So you can see that we have not yet assigned the user to input his data into our what. So you can just say can just put a variable for this. Overall gender equals input weight answer representing answer. This is supposed to be write the number because we use number representing the answer. So let's first see this. Dalton, the Dalton order 16. Yeah, as you can see up now, assign the user to its data. But what I want to do in this thing, I want to put the age responsible for the answers for the questions I'm going to ask. So let's just put age. Let's put gender before age. Like this. Paste it there. Let's run a program to see if there are any errors. So I'm going to impose math questions. I'm going to impose math questions according to the age of the user. Start by print. So we have created an if function, as you can see it here, in order to be specific in our program. If age is less than or equal to, remember our age is an integer, so we don't need to write the strings. We'll make our program one by one. Age is less than or equal to, let me see, 12, 14, print. Let's print what is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 2 times 2. Let's just give a simple question. What is 100 divided by 2? And let's be specific. Someone may enter his answer in what? In words. Let's be specific. Right? Your answer in numbers. In figures. So let's make this a variable. Yes, question 1 equals input. And we want to assign scores to this. Score equals 0. So let's print. Score equals 0. And let's give now max our gamer. If question 1 equals, remember it's an integer, we don't need to put any word. It's not an integer, so I need to put strings. Equals 50. Shall give him a score of 2. we shall print correct. Max, you have got Max. So let's first run this and see. What is your name? The daughter now, although you did some 12, 15. You can see correct answer you have got 2 marks. Got 2 marks. So let's ask two questions per what? A user. Else. So if the user gets any other question, any other answer apart from 2, we shall give him a score of 0. We shall print nice try. Nice try. It's not even put the marks because they are bad 0. Or we can just put 1. Yeah, as an award for following our program. Nice try. You have got 1. You have got mark. Let's also print the answer. And just put it after him knowing that he has failed. Answer is 50. So let's first come and run our program to see if we get a correct answer with it output. If there are no mistakes in it, below the now all there. What is? Let's say we have got 20. Nice try. You have got 1 mark. The answer is 50. Answer is 50. Answer is 50. So let's ask the second question. So you just come there. Question 2 equals input. What is 9 times? What is 90 minus 34? Also be specific. Write the answer. So let's impose a second question being that we don't have time. Just put it there. Let's test it. So you can see the second question runs from there to there. I think you can see it very well. Second question is, what is 90 minus 34? Write the answer. The fact it runs from there to there. To see sure it scores 0. So now let's try to run our program and see. I tell you this, every time you add some new data into your program, it's better you first run it. Example here. What is 50? What is 90 minus 56? Just finished. Create your correct answers. Let's just put 2 on this. Sounds this here. And also after this, undividable. So now let's give our user max. Let's give our user max. Let's just put here. It's just here. So our total questions are 2. So to give our max to this guy, let's put max, variable for max, equals let's make this score 1, score 2, this one, score 2, score 2, score 2, is a variable name. If it can't fit, that's why it's freezing. Let's just come here. Score divided by questions minus 100. So that's our max. Print your max are percentage. So let's first run our program and see the results. Let's run our program and see. Dalton, male, 14 years, 50, 56. As you can see, correct, you have got two marks. Your marks are 100. In fact, here we should put your total marks. Here your marks are 100. Just put a print statement after this, so that gives us some space. And also here, print. So now let's say else, because if the age is our else will mean from 15 and above. So that's why so they will impose some different questions from this case. Who are what? Else print. Let's print. Let's just copy this and just put there a new question. Let's paste it and just impose new questions to this case who are older. So what is print? What is 100 minus 1? So here we shall change and give a tougher question like what is 100 times 300? And this one is somehow easy. Times 324,000. 300. So our answer will be 32,400. Let's stop to enter it. 32,400. Correct. Else, as you can see, else answer. Let's just change the answer here. 32,400. So let's see another question. This one is going to be logical. What is 2 times 2 divided by 2 plus 2 minus 2? So this answer is logical, but it has a simple. This question is logical, but it has a simple answer. So just have to put here 1 equals 2. Let's run our program and see. No, I forgot something. Got to put max. Oh, they're already there. Sorry. So let's run something. Let's run it and see. Dalton male 16. What is we are going to get to 4. Nice try. Have what? 1 mark. That's 3 to 4. So what do we learn from this? This answer has two ways of writing. There's one where we can write with a comma. You just have to impose an elif statement, elif question 2, 3 to 4, or some people can just write it like that. Let's just print. Copy that. Press that. Run our program and see. Have you seen? It's good to run your program every time you make changes to it. 16 years. 3, 2, 4. As you can, nice try. As it's still wrong. Got one mark. 3, 2, 400. Error is here. I think this else statement just meant a if. Question 2. Try this and see. Let's see if I write up answer. So nice try. And run it again. And then here. 16. So if I write the return 400. Nice try. What's wrong? Answer. Answer. Oh, putting this to question 2. Let's remove this. Supposed to be on question 1. I think I've seen some common errors. Supposed to be on question 1. Scan if question 1 because 3 to 100. This paste it there. Let's first rerun and see. Well done. Yeah, 16 years. 3 to 400. You can see, correct, you have got 2 marks. 2 marks 100%. So, thanks guys, we have made it to our last session. It's just something else on you. Just print at the end. Just print it. Thanks for playing my game. We shall meet again. So guys, thanks for following me in this program. Shall meet again. Let's first run it for the last time. Let's see. Hello, if I'm 14, let me see. Hello, 15. Let me just fill on my purpose. Thanks for playing my game. So let me see if I'm above. If I'm above. If I'm above. If I'm above. If I'm above 14, 16, it's 3 to 4. Let's just fill this on purpose. Use your max 50%. As for playing the map, we shall meet again. So that is all for today. Meet me on my next program and we shall learn more about Python. Okay.